What is up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use Interact. So Interact is a platform that allows users to create interactive quizzes to engage audiences, generate leads, and personalize marketing efforts. It offers various templates, customization options, and integrations with marketing tools. So to get started, you will just simply need to make your account. And to do that, just simply click on Start for free right here and simply wait for it to load. So you can either sign up with your Google account or your personal email account right here, or whatever email that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to go with my Google account. After you have logged in, it will show you this question. So what are your goals with quizzes? So just simply pick from the options right here. So be it lead gen, product recommendation, audience engagement, and gathering insights. So let's say I'm going with product recommendation. I'm going to simply click on that, then click on next. The next is what stage is your business at. So just simply need to pick from new, growing, and established. So I'm going with new right here, and I'm going to click on next. And how would you like to create your quiz? So you could either start from scratch, generate it with AI, or you could also clone a template. So for Scratch, you will start with a blank quiz and let your imagination run wild. So basically, you'll start from zero and it's up to you what style or what questions that you want to add to your quiz. And next is generate with AI. So the quiz generator will analyze your website to generate the best quiz for your business. And for clone a template, it's choose from their library of quiz templates and you could begin customizing those templates. So for me, I'm going to go with clone a template right here, and I will pick a template that will suit my business needs. So let's say I want to use this template. So what style of ring do you need on your finger? So I've set a filter right here for just jewelry, and this is what it showed. And for me, I'm going to go with this template. So it will show you a preview of the template and what it will look like. So you could have a brief overview. And I'm just going to simply click on use template right here and just simply wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, we will be brought right here on the editing section where we could actually change the background colors, we could change the text, we could change the cover image, we can add some images, we can add some videos and stuff. And here on the left side is the navigation menu on the parts of our form or quiz. So we are currently on the cover page. And as you can see, I can edit the cover image just by clicking on the image right here. So you could resize it. You could also replace the image. So if you want to replace it, just simply click on yes. And if you don't want it, just simply click on no. So I'm going to leave it at that. And you could also edit the attribution. So you could add the image attribution link, the image attribution label, and image alt tag. So if you want to resize it, just simply click on crop and save. For me, I'm going to leave it at that. And you could also change the text right here. So what style of frame do you need? So just simply click on it and you could actually change it just like that. You could edit it out if you want. Let's say I'm just going to simply type what style of ring do you want? Do you want? Just like that. And it will automatically change like that. And you could also change the description right here and also the text on the buttons. And here at the top, you can see that you could change the colors of the background, the colors of the option, the selection, the progress bar, and the button right here. And if you click on the text icon, you could actually change the fonts and also the font color right here. If you click on this image icon, you could upgrade your plan to add some logos. So next we'll go to the questions part. So here are the questions. So if you want to change the order of the questions on your quiz, you just simply need to go here on the left panel or left navigation panel and just simply drag and drop or wherever you want to put your questions. So just like this, as you can see, I can smoothly move it out just like that. So I'm just going to bring it back right here. And if you want to remove a question, you just simply need to click on the settings icon here. And as you can see, there's an option to remove that particular question. So let's say I want to remove this question right here. I'm going to click on the settings icon and I'm going to click on remove question. Then just simply click on confirm. And as you can see, it has been automatically removed. And if I want to edit something out of a particular question, so let's say I want to edit the elements here on this question, I'm going to click on it, and just as what we did on the cover page, you can just simply click on the elements that we want to edit out right here. So let's say you want to delete a option right here, just simply click On the delete icon, if you want to reorder it, just simply drag it out just like this. If you also want to add an answer, just simply click on add answer just like that. And so I'm going to remove it. And you'd also use image answers. If you do that, as you can see, you could add some images right there for the answers. But for me, I'm going to leave it at text answers, and you could also change the answer settings. So you could select multiple answers if you want. You could change it to that, but just by clicking on the checkbox right here. And you could also edit the result correlations right here. And if you don't want to use the image right here, you could just simply hide question image just like that. After that, here is the results panel where you could edit out the results. So as you can see right here, your perfect ring type is sweet and simple. So of course, every quiz will be different. It will have different sections since this is a different topic, which is on jewelry and what type of ring a particular person wants. And as you can see right here, there's an option to turn or enable or disable lead gen. And you have here your social share settings. So there's the hide social share buttons on results, select active social share buttons, social share buttons location, social share link, social share image, social share heading, and I got text on social shares right here. So you could just simply edit out things that you want right here. And you could also check the conversion tracking right there. And if for some reason that you want to change the quiz type, there's an option right here on the bottom left where you could just simply click on it, change quiz type. And as you can see right here, you could pick from assessment or personality, which is the current quiz type right here, or the scored one right there. So you could just simply change it if you want. Now, once you're done on the editing and stuff, what you can do to check out your progress or your overall quiz is just simply click on the eye icon here at the top right. And if you click on that, it will show you the preview mode or the preview overall of your quiz. So as you can see right here, if I click on take quiz, as you can see, it will show all of the pages. So I will just simply pick random stuff right here just to show you that the quiz or what the quiz will look like, just like that. And as you can see at the end, it will say your ring type is the serious statement right here. And you could scroll down to see all of the stuff right there. And if you still want to edit some elements or some text here on your quiz, you just simply need to close out and just navigate through the left panel right here on what part you want to edit. But once you're done and you want to share it or you want to publish your quiz, you just simply need to click on the publish icon or button here on the top right. So just simply click on that, and here you will see this pop up, which will require you to either take the free trial or upgrade to the light plan, growth plan, or pro plan. So you could pick out from all of these plans right here. And there's a monthly and annual option, but for the annual option, you could save up to 40%. So let's say I want to start a 14-day free trial. So just that I could check out my quiz. So what you will need to do is just simply enter your card number right here and just simply click start free trial, or just simply click start trial right there. But that's basically most of it. If you want to publish your quiz, you will need to upgrade your plan, or you could just try the free trial to see if you'd want to continue using Interact. And just to show you the comparison of each plan, you could just simply go to their pricing page right here, then scroll down till you see this. So you could compare the plans from the light, growth, or pro plan right here. So you will see all of their differences and comparisons right there so that you could thoroughly pick on which plan will suit you the best. And that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, or share it with someone who might also find this video helpful. And that's basically it, guys. I will see you on the next one.